So let's replace the insulation on your air conditioning unit. First thing is you need a utility knife to cut away the old tape and insulation or any zip ties or anything that's holding it on. Be very careful not to cut yourself and slowly peel away the insulation. You want to go slow and be careful so you don't wreck any of these delicate lines and wires that are here. Once you've exposed the two main lines, one is going to be a soft copper line, one's going to be a more rigid, larger copper line. And then you're going to have some wires. Here's your new insulation. Cut it roughly to length. You can always trim it more later, so better to cut it long than too short. Pop it on the pipe, and then you'll peel the little sticky bits off so that the two ends stick together like that. Push it all the way up to the house where it comes out of the wall. Take your time, seal it the entire way down. You don't want to get any water in there, let creatures or whatever get in there. As you get towards the end, you'll trim it to the full length that you need there. Scissors work just fine on this stuff and give a nice clean cut. Once you've sealed it up, go ahead and throw some zip ties on there, or you could use some duct tape or electrical tape. Whatever you think is going to hold up best. I like zip ties because they're easy to replace and deal with, and they don't leave a sticky mess behind. Put them on every 6 to 12 inches. And then clip the ends off for a neat finish. We took some flex loom and put it on the control wire that's coming out of the wall, mostly because we have, potential of small animals. We don't want them nibbling the wire. We took some of the extra insulation and used that to cover up the wire as well, since it was all coiled up. That's it. You're done.